I guess. We're a king pig.
So we're not going to do it first. It's gonna like be a while, so yeah.
What is that? Who cares?
It's country!
Oink, 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 oink.
It's fine ass.
Oinkity.
West Side baby!
Okay. I'm gonna go kill two. Yo, get back here! No! Get back here!
Ninja! Ninja! I'm no man. I want to go too! Oh man, you're such a son of a bitch.
Oh yeah, it's pizza delivery?
You must be pizza delivery.
Stupid, I already know pizza. Stupid pizza man! Stupid pizza man! You can't start around! Pizza? Pizza!
Oh, get Paco from upstairs.
Stupid pizza dude! Get out of my video! Pizza! Pizza! Pizza evil! Pizza delivery evil!
Sister, what's wrong? What's wrong, baby girl?
Where's Paco upstairs?
Yeah.
Okay.
Put them both outside. They're probably eating the cat food.
Come on.
Pizza! Pizza! Okay. Chocolate!
Chocolate.
I want candy.
Go get her pizza. Ow. That's Mommy's back.
Too bad. Sorry, now you're
Stop.
I'm tasty.
Fail. Okay, you need to stop crying and throwing a fit like that. Okay, well, I understand that, but you're not going to get any while you're acting like that. No eggs.
Redbird, just say that.
No eggs.
Oh, I think you did. Oh, no, not in baseball bat!
No. Heck, does anyone know what this